Hi, I'm Stephen Kilpatrick and I'm a product sales specialist within Routeco for industrial control gear. In today's ever-changing industrial climate, businesses are continuously competing to build manufacturing solutions that reduce costs, increase product quality and help improve productivity. To compete effectively, you need a breadth of reliable and appropriate products to fit your specific needs. The Routeco ICG team can provide you with the control products, solutions and support that you need, from push buttons to intelligent motor control. We can provide you with a comprehensive range of quality and control equipment, reliable and accurate product configuration and selection, product conversions, obsolescence, migration, dependable application and product assistance, and we will provide you with full pre-sales technical support. For more information, please contact your local Routeco branch to speak to one of our specialists, or please have a look at our website, routeco.com.